Hello beautiful people, how are you? And welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. I believe and trust that you're fine wherever you are. Thank you so much, guys, for people who have subscribed to my channel, my returning subscribers, and to those of you who are going to subscribe. As you have seen, guys, in this video, this guy was bewitched and turned into a cow after sleeping with someone's wife. Now, I feel sorry for the guy, but let this serve as a lesson to you people who like to sleep with people's wives. There are a lot of single women out there